Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on my Project Life spread for 2022 and this is week 4. I decided to kind of veer away from the bold rainbow colors that I've been using in the last few weeks. This was kind of a blah week where I am. And I decided to go a little bit more with the pastels. Actually, that card in the upper left-hand side, the 4x6 card, was one that kind of inspired the rest of the colors for this layout. So, and that's a DIY card, of course. I think there's at least 2, maybe even 3 cards on this that are DIY cards. And as always, I stuck down my photos before I actually turn the camera on because nobody needs to see me fight with my ATG gun. That was a little bit of journaling about the picture and just how secondhand clothing shopping has become my new passion and hobby. Oh, yeah, I was like, I don't know what to do with that journal card in the lower right. In the end, I end up typing up some journaling. Like I said, it was a pretty blah week. Hubby and I both got our booster shots, so we were feeling gross for a few days. And on top of that, we had absolutely horrendous weather. It was cold, and we got like a snowstorm that dropped about 40 centimeters of snow on us over the weekend, so there wasn't a whole lot of activity where I am. I'm just sticking down some little... Oh, those are my DIY cork embellishments. I still have to film a video on that. I honestly wanted to test drive it before I did a video on it, just to make sure they were going to turn out okay. Some more journaling. Still fighting with my glue. So that right here and now die cut, the black words on that 3x4 card, I actually cut on my Cricut. I'm really trying to use my Cricut more. It's a little harder to do with Project Life, only because I've just really kind of started again. I used to use it a lot for like 12x12 layouts and making embellishments and stuff for cards, but I think this is going to become a new habit. Using some very bright alphas. Those are like a citrusy, yellowy green color. And I didn't have all the letters I needed, so I took 2 V's and turned them into a W. And I'm using some of my wood veneer. It's a little bit of everything in this video. And some of my, I think I used some of my Flair on this too. Yeah, I did. It's funny because I'm realizing just how much I can make using the scraps that I have. And so it's really making me, oh, I'm showing you labels. I made those labels on my computer when I did my journaling. Very easy to make. If you're at all familiar with Microsoft Word or any of the typing programs, it's super, super easy. I actually printed off a couple of pages of those. So I'm just trimming my journaling to fit in that card. And that journaling is just about how gross I was feeling after my booster shot and how hubby was feeling perfectly fine and went to work. The injustices of life. And I'm almost done. That's it for me, friends. Thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.